getting people involved, making it a community thing, just more than the race. The shirts themselves, the t-shirts, will have a contest at the school. So they put a bunch of submissions together, and one of the winners gets their drawing as like the front of the t-shirt.
The crazy thing about running is like, oftentimes when you start, like you can feel worse and you do 5 miles in, 6 miles in, 10 miles in. One of my running friends from the club is a woman named Yvonne. And Yvonne, I could be like, hey, I broke my toe. And she's gonna be like, suck it up, Buttercup.
So this is last year's shirt, and you'll see on there that we had a 3rd grader win. A lot of the kids too, that really try to connect them back into running and just healthy living and the idea of giving back with the food to the community and stuff.
And you know what? It's about getting out and moving, because there are walkers. There are plenty of walkers. So if you're seeing this, don't think you're entering like the Indy 500 of like 5Ks, okay? Walking is a definite thing here.